This float inspires enthusiasm and admiration for the top student athletes competing in this year's Rose Bowl game. Dr. Tiffany Gallus and Dr. Eric Medley, representing their school down the parade route, playing loud and proud. The official University of Indiana marching band will also showcase their school colors and talent during the pregame and halftime show for today's 112th Rose Bowl game.